Dawson with Real Ryan.
An intro so nice, he rocked it twice. And for all of you wondering out there, yes, my full name is Grizzly Bear Ryan. Okay, that's not true, but it's the internet, so why not? Be sure to stick around till the end today if you want to see light shining through this stained glass project for the first time. Today, we are beefing up our cleaning process by introducing the Super Soaker 9000 and then applying copper patina. I felt like Tim the Toolman Taylor using that thing though. Home improvement. What's up? Shout out to the IG follower a while back recommending I get a pressure sprayer for using distilled water. This saved me 5 minutes of not having to squeeze a trigger on a spray bottle, and I will never go back. Throughout this process, I couldn't help but notice slight differences, and I don't know what to credit them to. But the dish soap suds were wildly different, way less bubbly. Did I scrub it all off? We'll find out in a few weeks if we get crusted with white mold. Okay, quick test time. I know copper patina doesn't really do anything to hobby came, which is lead, but we need to make sure that we get the same reaction on this thicker lead came before applying the copper patina to the entire project. Nope, nothing. Alright. Anyways, for the record, this copper patina application is in real time. I highlight this because of how quickly the patina took to the solder. Probably record time for me. And this got me thinking back to the slight differences from earlier. Could it be because of the paste flux? Maybe the extra heavy-duty rinsing? The fact that I left the cap off my copper patina bottle for a whole week on accident? All I know is I did not have to scrub the patina into the solder lines with the magic eraser. Just literally instant transition, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time. It's a slow build-up over here, but by the end of each project, you should at least have a confidence boost in thinking you could do this yourself. Spoiler alert, you totally can.